Imagine if you could save up to 40% on plumbing for an overhead tank. Hi, I am Siddhant Gujar, a first year aerospace engineering student at IIT Madras. I have designed a pipe system that does exactly that. It saves nearly 40% on material and 50% on labor. To understand this system in a better way, let us first take a look into conventional system. As you can see, there is one pipe from motor to fill the tank and second completely separate pipe to drain water to your taps. This is the most simplest and common way. Now here is my single pipe design. Let's see how it works. When pump motor is turned on, it pushes water up with this single pipe. The pressure from the pump forces the special non-return valve to close. This directs water up into the tank from top, which also prevents disturbing any settled mud at bottom. And yes, you can even use tap while the motor is on. Now let's see the draining. When pump is off and you open the tap, the water pressure inside the tank is now greater. This pressure simply pushes the NRV to open up and water flows down to the tap. In this design, only one pipe does both of the jobs. So now let's take a look on the savings. Here is cost analysis for typical two-floor building. A single pipe system saves up to 38.5% on material cost and 50% on labor and transport cost. And as building gets taller, the cost efficiency gets even better. But the best part? This isn't just a theory. This system has been fully implemented in my own house for 3.5 years. And as you can see, it works perfectly. The idea for this came 3.5 years ago. We bought a new washing machine and had to move our tank higher. I wondered, why why do we actually need two pipes? Then I thought and designed the system and took into account some issues like settled mud, and eventually I convinced my father to try out. And it worked. I created this animation as a personal project to teach myself Fusion 360, or to share this idea with you. Like right now, I am designing a microscope for school students. Thank you for watching. If you are an engineer or a builder and you try this system, please share your experience with me. Thank you.